Once your progress bar in Gap Fixer and PaceX turns green, you can move to the next step, the mock test. In the mock test section, you'll see a list of available tests. At the top, you'll also see options to choose whether you want to take the mock test for the entire exam or for a specific subject within that exam. On the left panel, you will see the list of tests, and on the right, you will see the test instructions. When you click on a test and then click Start, a test overview pop-up will appear showing the total number of questions, total time, and total marks. After reviewing, click Start Now. The test will begin, and a timer, for example, 1.5 hours, will appear. You must complete the entire test within the given time. Mock tests simulate real exam-like conditions. During mock tests, you will not get any help from Tony AI. Attempt the test entirely on your own, just like in the actual exam. After completing all the questions, click on Submit Now to see your results. In the test overview pop-up, you will also see how many questions come from each subject if you're taking a full exam test. If you're taking a specific subject's test, you will see the questions divided into categories, such as multiple choice and numerical choice questions. During the test, these sections will appear on the right side of your screen. After completing all questions, click Submit to finish the test. After completing a mock test, you'll receive a detailed performance report that includes your accuracy, time management, and question-by-question analysis. You can review your strengths and weaknesses to plan focused practice ahead. As exams approach, the Performance in Detail section allows you to drill down and identify weak topics that require extra work. Reports here provide a comprehensive breakdown of your performance across all mock tests.